In this video, I'll be explaining how you can send a mail merge. What a mail merge does is allows you to send a mass email with customized sections of the email. So let's say you're sending an update email to all of your clients and you want each client to get a specific part of a paragraph that says their percentage increase or a special note to them, or you want to include their name so it's more personalized. You can do this with a Google Workspace email. So if you have a Google Workspace, Google Education, Google Pro email, usually that's when you're using your own domain, you will have this feature directly included in your account. So what you would do is go to compose a new email. And when you're composing an email, at the far right-hand corner where you could see CC, BCC, and then use mail merge. This first button here that says mail merge is via a different tool called Streak, and I have another video that talks about using Streak. But we're going to talk about using the embedded Gmail G Suite tool. So you're going to hit this one all the way to the end that says use mail merge. Once you click it, you'll see a box that says mail merge. You want to go ahead and check that. And then you're going to add details from a spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and draft up what we want the email to say and what areas we want to be customized. Now that we have the email body and you see the special tags with their first name as well as company, let's go ahead and go back to the add sign and then add from spreadsheet. So we have a spreadsheet here that we've pre-created for this test. So in this spreadsheet, it has the first name, last name, email address, and then their company. So what's going to populate is that I have to match up each section. So here we have at email, then we're going to have their first name, we're going to match up their last name, and we're going to finish there. So now when we come back in here at company, right, we just added that to the mail merge. So let's take a preview of what that would look like. For person one, it'll say the company names, each company name will populate based on the email that we sent to the persons. So now we have that email drafted and each person is going to get a unique email. And we could, title that email, "Hi, how are you?" And then we could go ahead and hit continue, and then it'll send that email to the individuals that were listed. And just make sure that everyone that you're sending an email to, they have pre-approved you to email them. So this is best to use with clients or people more internally. I would not potentially recommend this for cold mail merge or cold outreach because you can then be blocked with spam. And then you could send out the final email by hitting continue. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, just reach out to us at GSD Solutions Inc. We are your tech experts and tech concierge. See you in the next video.